Hello, I'm Bruce Hochstetler. I've lived in this house now for 13 years. Nice big house. Uses a lot of electricity. As I'm entering retirement age, or I am retired, my wife's still working, I wanted to reduce the amount of electricity on our electric bill. August, September, the summer months, we were paying probably about $500 to $550 monthly bills. Probably the lowest ones were in the winter. They were probably about $150 to $200. So that was the main reason why I wanted to do that. I was probably looking into it off and on for like 3 or 4 years, and I guess I had my brother up north in Dallas or Frisco area. He was looking into it, and he went ahead and got some put on his roof, and then I decided to jump right in and do it. Jeff was the first guy to reach out to me, and he was the first guy to show up, and I said, I'm just going to go with this guy. He was trying to get the best deal for me, and I was trying to get the best deal for me. All of last year we had negative electric bills. We were getting minus 300 bills like in July and August, September. I didn't have to do these with Sunshine. I could have actually gone through Tesla and done it. But I decided, well, I just wanted to work with Jeff again because I thought, he did a really good job in the back. And they did a great job on this. It took them they started on a Monday and they finished it up on Friday evening, about 4 o'clock. I had about 2.5 hours of daylight and got it from 16% all the way up to 28%. I can recommend Sunshine. They were a new company, and they did an absolutely awesome job. You need to take some pictures of the solar panels.
Yeah, we'll get that for sure.